Hey guys, I would just like to review multiplying fractions before you do your comprehension check for the day, just to make sure you're good to go. So we talked about how when you multiply a fraction by a whole number, that's the same as 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. So we would get 12 fourths, or remember the shortcut is you could just multiply the numerators because the denominator does not change. You're not cutting the pieces up. You are just adding them together. Of course, we cannot leave 12 fourths, so we have to figure out how many wholes that is. We can skip count. We find out that that is 3 wholes. Remember, I could also write this fraction as anything that would equal 12 fourths. So, for example, this times 2 would be equivalent because it still equals 12. The same way as 1/4 times 12 would be equivalent. So that is going to come up in the comprehension check along with knowing the repeated addition. I believe there's also some number lines in there, so I know we are not super strong on number lines. So let's just review that really quick of how multiplication looks on a number line. Let's say I was going to do, I don't know, 1/3 times 4. That means my number line is going to be going by thirds. 3/3 would be 1. This would be 1 1/3. 1 2/3. 1 3/3 would be 2. So forth. We start at 0 and jump 4 times. So this would be 1/3 times 1, 1/3 times 2, 1/3 times 3, and 1/3 times 4, which means my answer should be 1 1/3. If we double check that with what we know, we get 4/3. And we know if we skipped count by threes, that is 1 whole with 1 left over. So there's 1 1/3. So you're counting your jumps. That's how many times you're multiplying. And then the size of your jump is your fraction. I think that's about it. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I will be happy to answer them. Have a great day. You guys are doing awesome with your work, so keep it up. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.